Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can very easily change your phone number in your Coinbase account. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we're going to do right here in coinbase.com on our homepage is navigate to the top right hand side. You'll see a menu, so it's represented by a grid dots, and you're going to tap on that. You'll now click on accounts. Right over here on the left hand side, make sure that it is on profile, and in this middle section on general, and here you will see your phone number. You're going to click on edit. Now what will happen is it will send you a 6-digit code, and this will help you verify that it really is you and it's not somebody trying to hack the account. And then what you can do is click on try another way. If you don't have access to this number anymore, you can also reach out to their help desk, which you'll be able to find on their website. And then you'll be able to explain why you don't have access and how you can then verify your identity and then change your phone number. I hope this was helpful.